Hey, it's Bob's Containers. So I want to talk to you today about permitting. It can be a very dirty word, it can be a beautiful word, depends on your approach. And we figured out a few ways to do it. In any given state, we can get a modular stamp, which means that we can slap a tag on there and they can bypass most inspections, land there, be viewed once, they look up our certificate, our credentials, and it's a permanent structure and good to go. That takes a lot of time and money, depending on the state. So until we sell enough in a certain state and build up the demand, because we're glad to do it, we'll go through other paths, traditional pathways. So we can build it off-site here at our facility, call in private inspectors who come here, or we submit videos and they approve it, or we can do what's called BTI, built to inspection. So basically I can complete my framing, interior framing, all my welding, the rough outs, meaning the plumbing and the electrical lines, before and stop at installation. So what we've done here is we framed everything out. It's a commercial build, so we use metal studs. We ran all the electrical lines here. Everything's to code, the plumbing, all that, and we're gonna stop right here. I cannot insulate this yet because they wanna see what's in the walls. This will land and the inspector will come see it, and they're not sure if it was built there on site or if it was built off site. It doesn't really matter, right? We're adhering to all the rules. So then they'll see all our excellent work, they'll sign off, then we can spray foam it, they'll come inspect again usually. We close up the walls, we finish it out, do the final inspection. It saves 2 to 3 months of time compared to traditional construction. So you hire us, the experts in everything containers, and then we send it to a builder who doesn't know containers, but they know how to finish this out when they see it. Saves a lot of time and money. So just a quick little video on what we call BTI, built to inspection, which is one of the 3 ways we build better, faster. So another no-brainer here at Bob's Containers.